Hello guys, I hope you're doing great. And in this short video tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix Instagram error that states try again later, we restrict certain activity to protect our community on your iPhone devices. So the process is really simple, and you just have to follow these guidelines that I'm gonna tell you. So without any further ado, let's get started. So on your Instagram account, sometimes you face this error that shows you the message try again later, we restrict certain activity to protect our community. And it generally happens when you perform a lot of activity through your Instagram account. For example, you're liking a lot of posts, you're commenting too much. So Instagram algorithm thinks that you're a bot, or you are trying to spam someone's account, or you are trying to spam Instagram. So they restrict your actions, and you get action blocked. And as a result, you cannot post, like, or comment. It always depends on the severity of your action. So what you can do is to just stop liking and stop commenting on people's accounts, and just wait for Instagram to activate those features once again for you. And another thing you can do is to go to this setting bar, settings, and from here just go to help, report a problem. On this screen just tap on something isn't working, and here you can state the issue, and hopefully they will resolve your issue. Otherwise you'll just have to wait. So that was it for today. I really hope that you loved this video, because if you did, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to channel. Thank you.